What's up, creators? If you've been following this channel, you know we've been breaking down every massive update in the AI generation space. But today is a completely different beast. Welcome to the ultimate extended masterclass on the most powerful creative ecosystem ever built. We just saw a revolution with the launch of the Flow app, bringing the new Omni Flash model, Veo 3.1 and Nano Banana 2 directly into your hands.
Flow is your AI creative studio, where you can generate and refine images and videos in whatever style you can dream up. Designed to support your entire creative journey, Flow helps creatives explore what's possible, from pre-visualization or proof of concept to a final creation.
We are officially in the agentic era of AI. It's no longer just about typing a prompt and crossing your fingers. It's about conversing with an AI agent that remembers your characters, edits your videos frame by frame, and generates native synchronized audio. Grab your phones, download the Flow app on Android. iOS users, you can follow along on the web version for now, and let's build some absolute magic. We are going from blank canvas to cinematic masterpiece. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about your new studio, Google Flow. This isn't just a basic image generator. It's a non-linear editor built specifically for AI assets. When you open the app, you are greeted by your workspace. You've got your agent chat at the bottom, your asset library on the left, and your timeline. The absolute brilliance here is the multimodal search function. You don't need to remember messy file names. You can literally search your own project for fast cars or neon lights, and Flow pulls up the exact clip you generated last week based on the visual content. Before we start prompting, set your resolution settings. If you have the Google AI Premium plan, the Ultra plan, make sure you toggle on 4K generation and 180p video upscaling. Setup is crucial. Now, let's talk about the engine powering our still images. If you want pixel-perfect assets, flawless lighting, or text that actually spells correctly, you are using Nano Banana 2.
Nano Banana Pro, from Google, built on Gemini 3.
This is the powerhouse image model inside Flow, and its world knowledge is insane. Let's test its composition and text rendering with a highly specific prompt. Prompt 1, Nano Banana. A hyper-detailed, low-angle street photography shot of a narrow metropolis alleyway at night, heavy rain. Puddles reflect bright neon signs. A large, crisp holographic billboard overhead perfectly spells out Future City in bold glowing cyan letters. Cinematic lighting, 16:9 aspect ratio, 4K resolution. Look at that text rendering. Future City is flawless. No word gabble alien letters. And because Nano Banana allows for intelligent editing, we can do targeted transformations without ever leaving the app. Alright, pay close attention, because this is where 99% of AI filmmakers give up. Character consistency. How do you keep your protagonist looking exactly the same across a 10-minute short film? In the past, you had to train custom LoRa's or rely on a messy seed number. Flow completely eliminates that with two massive new features, the Actor Library and FaceLock. First, we need to cast our lead. We are going to use Nano Banana 2 to generate a highly detailed base image. When creating a character, be overly descriptive about their permanent features. A 25-year-old male sci-fi smuggler with a distinct scar over his left eyebrow, messy dark curly hair, and striking hazel eyes. He's wearing an asymmetrical high-collar leather jacket with brass buckles. Studio lighting, neutral gray background, 4K portrait shot. He looks incredible. Now, here's the magic button. We tap Add to Actor Library, and we name him Jax. Once you do this, Flow activates FaceLock. The Omni agent now deeply understands the underlying geometry of Jack's face, the texture of his hair, and the specific design of his jacket. Now let's put him to the test. Let's drop Jax into a completely different environment with entirely different lighting, performing a dynamic action. Add Jax sprinting through a crowded, neon-lit cyberpunk marketplace. Heavy rain, harsh blue and magenta rim lighting, dynamic action angle from below. His facial expression is panicked.
Out of my way!
Look at the scar. Look at the jacket buckles. It didn't just copy-paste his face. Nano Banana actually recalculated how the magenta neon light would scatter across his specific facial structure. You can now build a cast of characters, save them to your library, and instantly cast them in any scene you can imagine. Images are great, but video is why you click on this tutorial. And the best part? Your Actor Library integrates directly into Veo 3.1, Google's state-of-the-art video model. But 3.1 brings its own superpower to the table: native audio. Let's do an action and motion test to see how it handles physics, lighting, and sound. Handheld POV shot walking through a vibrant, crowded summer night festival. The camera weaves between steaming food stalls and colorful paper lanterns hanging overhead. Smoke rises perfectly, catching the warm golden light. Sound effect: a cacophony of festival sounds, cycling grills, distant drums, and energetic crowd chatter. Cinematic realism, 24 frames per second.
What can I get for you?
I'll have the pad thai, please.
Are you hearing this? Veo 3.1 generated the ambient sound natively, locked to the physics of the steam rising. No hunting for stock audio. Okay, the main event, Gemini Omni. Think of this as your conversational director. Let's take that summer video. With Omni in the lab, we just talked to the agent to completely change the system and the illusion of camera. Keep the exact camera movement, audio, and crowd pacing of this video, but change the time of the day to a freezing, snowy winter morning. Replace the paper lanterns with glowing ice sculptures, and change the steam to thick winter breath. Identity and spatial consistency are completely preserved across the scene. Omni Flash understands the world inside the video, not just the pixels. Because Omni understands artistic intent, we can use it as a style translator. Let's give Omni a very basic premise. A postman delivering a package to a house on a hill.
Good morning, I have a delivery for you.
Oh, thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.
Watch what happens when we ask Omni to put a Wes Anderson filter on it. Omni direct a scene of a postman delivering a package to a house on the hill. Style it exactly like a Wes Anderson film. Use extreme symmetry, a pastel pink and mustard yellow color palette, a perfectly flat diorama style composition, and have the postman stare deadpan into the camera before walking. Keep the motion slightly snappy.
Good morning, I have a delivery for you.
Oh, thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.
Flawless symmetry. Now, let's completely flip the vibe. Let's ask Omni to direct the exact same premise, but this time we want the magical, nostalgic feeling of a Hayao Miyazaki film. Omni, direct the same scene of the postman, but animate it in the style of a 1990s Studio Ghibli film by Hayao Miyazaki. Use lush, hand-drawn, cel-shady aesthetics. The environment should feature rolling, vibrant green hills, massive towering cumulonimbus clouds, add a gentle breeze blowing through the tall grass. Soft, nostalgic lighting. It's breathtaking. Omni translates cinematic rules perfectly into Veo 3.1 generation engine.
Good morning, I have a delivery for you.
Oh, thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.
Because Omni is the brain connecting these models, you can use it to act as your storyboard artist. Let's go back to our character Jax. I can drag his profile from the Actor Library into the Omni chat and give a complex directive. For example, take Jax and generate a 3-shot short film sequence using Veo 3.1. Shot 1, a wide establishing shot of him standing on a raining rooftop. Shot 2, a medium profile shot of him wiping rain from his face. Shot 3, a fast-paced tracking shot of him running towards the camera. Ensure cohesive lighting across all the 3 clips. In seconds, Omni parses the request, prompts Veo 3.1 3 separate times, maintaining Jax's face lock consistency, and drops 3 perfectly sequenced clips into our timeline.
Let's see what we are really dealing with.
Google has integrated things like Video Resizer and Pixel Bento, but you can use natural language to vibe code your own bespoke tools. For example, create a tool that automatically crops my videos to 9:16, adds a gritty VHS shader effect, and overlays a yellow retro subtitle box. Once the agent builds it, you've essentially programmed your own app feature without writing a line of code. The jump from generated isolated images to having a full-fledged AI agent manage your Actor Library, edit, storyboard, and apply complex director aesthetics inside the Flow app is staggering. We just covered all our masterclass material, but this is exactly how you stay ahead of the curve in AI filmmaking. To recap, use Nano Banana 2 and the Actor Library for perfect character consistency, Veo 3.1 for native audio, and Gemini Omni to seamlessly wave it all together. All the prompts from today's massive episode are down in the description. Hit that subscribe button, drop a comment with the first character you plan to build in Flow, and as always, keep creating. I'll see you in the next one.